Hey there, online shoppers. Let's talk about something I wish I didn't have to warn you about: suspicious online stores. Today, I'm diving into Avona store, also called Avona Official. Is it the real deal, or just another internet scam in 2026? First off, let's talk red flags. The privacy policy on Avona store? Plagiarized. Yup, word for word from other sites like Veridian. And if you check their terms of service, it accidentally mentions a completely different brand. Savona. That's a rookie scam move right there. Now they say they're based in Australia, but every single payment is in US dollars. Weird, right? And get this, their listed refund address? It's not some big warehouse. It's actually someone's private house. Not exactly what you'd expect from a legit business. And the prices? Oh boy. $200 Lego sets for $40, with those buy one, get 70% off deals? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't just take my word for it. People on Reddit and Trustpilot have spoken up. They paid, got no shipping confirmation, and never saw their orders. Ouch. Now, real quick, let's clear up some confusion. Avona store is not the same as Avona, the bike brand started by Jonas Miller. It's not Avon, the beauty company. And it's definitely not Avona, the highly rated bag maker. Those are all real businesses. Avona store? Not so much. So what should you do if you got caught up in this? First, check your bank or PayPal for strange charges. If you spot something fishy, call your bank and file for a chargeback ASAP. And before you shop anywhere new, use the Google Transparency Report. Seriously, it could save you a lot of money and headache. Alright friends, stay safe out there. Got a sketchy store you want me to check out next? Drop it in the comments.